Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Venom, and we're going to have like a really long tongue to it. He's kind of a bad guy, right? There is another Venom video on here, but I'm going to go through it. So what's going to happen with the channel in the next month or two is I'm going to start throwing Christmas videos on here as well, and it's going to be a shared kind of Halloween versus Christmas. And then in January, I'm going to make it entirely Halloween again. So a little bit of a seasonal channel, a little bit not. So thank you. I want to thank you very much for your support. And that's it. Let's jump into this Venom, though. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw Venom from the side, by the way, on this one. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw over here a curved line for the front of his face. Go down here to the lip. Ooh, I forgot to say this, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notifications if you like learning how to draw Halloween or seasonal stuff or just cool bad guys in general from horror movies. Let me know. Thank you. I mean, yeah, also let me know in the comments because I'd love to have some suggestions on what to draw through the year because I'm going to keep this going through the year this time. Looks like a car outside that made a huge noise. I'm sorry. Go down here. So the Venom's lip in, and it's going to go back into this smile, right? What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go down for the eye, pulling a large line like so underneath. Pretty large straight line. As I pull up here, it's going to get a little wavy. I like drawing the waviness at the top. See, a little fiery? Kind of looks like fire, but in reality, it's like this liquidy thing going on there. And those are random. That top line's random. And just make it jaggedy, weird. Make it different. That's all you have to do to get the impression of it. Pulling back here, down. And now I'm going to go over here and draw the teeth, right? They're essentially just triangles downward, and you can make them different sizes, right? Make them different sizes, vary it up until it hits this point, because there's a point where there's a skin flap when he opens his mouth. There's skin. That's something that lizards have, and I still don't know what it's called. Somebody told me the name of it, and it's like too hard to like... I don't know. It's like a really hard name. I thought I remember thinking it wasn't like calm. Go over here to the right. Down over here. See, that's the bottom of the lip. And what I'm going to do first, though, is I'm going to pull out the tongue right here. Let's start over here. Out. Bam. I'm going to go crazy with that tongue. Crazy. Over here. And then I'm going to give a little bit of girth to that tongue. So I'm going to go over here, pull back, right? And just kind of follow it, but make it a little bit bigger as it goes up here. Till I hit this point. Because then at this point, I'm going to go over here and say, hey, I want the teeth, right? Go over here, up. Over here. Over here. Over here. Same thing, pulling up over here, maybe even all the way. And this, the bottom lip, is going to go right here, and it's going to go like a little tray table. Boom. Just go underneath. Down over here for the lip. Right here for the chin. Over here down for the back of the jaw, right? We're going to connect that long kind of jaw there going on. Go over here into the mouth, maybe put a little bit of a structure to it. Line over here, line over here. And fill this in over here. It's going to fill in with dark because it's like inside the mouth, right? Line over here, pull up. Pull this right here for the back of the head, and we're going to throw a huge neck in the back there because he's got this big old muscly neck. Don't forget to hit that like if you enjoy Venom. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, definitely hit that like button. Pull in. Line underneath. For the sternocleidomastoid, that is a muscle that's... it usually goes from behind the ear over here and it goes down to the pit of the neck on both sides. It's a very superhero muscle because you see it a lot on superheroes. I think, and then pull down here, in, down. Gonna throw a little line here. Little lines, thin lines, by the way. Not little, thin. I guess they're thin and little. For the skin right there that opens up, because you want that to be obvious. Pulling down here for the top of the chest. Maybe throwing a line over here for you see the top of this chest. Line over here, curve in. And line over here. Right on. Whew, let me see what else. That is pretty much it. What you can do here is add a little bit of line over here for the on the tongue. Add some texture to it. Maybe throw thinner lines like on the striations to show that the tongue has, you know, like organic features to it and it has stuff going on. Line over here. The rest of it's just going to be detail, but thank you so much. I appreciate you, you know, sticking around. I am going to have a fun time with this channel. This channel is a little bit different, right? Because I usually update it only Halloween, but I'm gonna actually push to not even push, but I'm gonna have a fun time, you know, putting some Christmas videos on here, maybe making it a seasonal channel. And then through the year, if you just feel like looking at horror characters and Halloween, absolutely jump on here for that. But thank you so much. I appreciate everything everybody said. Everybody's super, super nice. And yeah, if you have any ideas on some cool horror characters to do or anything like that, let me know, okay? Because it's going to be a great year, and I'm excited, and hopefully you are too. I'm excited to be here through the year. I'm not leaving this time. Everybody's like, oh, you're leaving. I'm not leaving this time. This time I'm not going to disappear. I'm going to be here the entire year putting up videos. So stick around, hit the subscribe, share the video, because I'm going to post a lot of videos like this, and I will see you soon, all right? Talk to you later. When you're doing stuff and you're really having a hard time learning, don't forget that it's better if you have fun with it. Remember what's fun about learning to draw and like this kind of stuff that you enjoy? What is fun about it? Like for you. Focus on that, and this stuff's going to be a snap to learn. You're going to get better, and you're going to have fun doing it, all right? Just keep it fun and keep it easy, all right? That's it. I'll talk to you later. Say hi to me in the comments. I say hi to I reply to every single comment. Talk to you later.